I got suckered in, man. This weasel right here hard sold me. He slow played me, hard sold me.
Yeah, right.
And he brought his backpack for putting all the money in it.
I don't even want to sell it. Hold on. Actually, I'm gonna break. I want to make it worth $1,000 first.
Yeah, let me fuck some shit up. Damn, dude.
Yeah. Just pull the turbo off and stuff when you can. I'm not selling it with the turbo.
Yeah, it's gonna fit. That's going on the van.
Yeah.
I'm gonna quadruple that for the van.
It's
be a quad
turbs.
turbs.
Pressure washer.
Pretty slick bike, guys. There's a lot of bullshit on here. Blake was gonna go through the carbs, but he decided nah.
I just didn't want to open it and maybe have a diaphragm or some type of, just even something simple as the intake boot, then have to wait a week or so to get it in.
Whole lot of stuff. There's a mullet filter, keeps the mullet out of that, or it'll puree his shit and throw it out the tailpipe.
It's done it.
It's done it. That's why it's so short.
Yeah, I lost about 37 inches.
Damn it. They built this whole cooler for it, boys. Got her plumbed up all the way back over here. There's the downfall right there. Some bitch. He decided not to clean the carbs, so we're gonna put it back together and show you all this plumbing in a minute. Because he got pretty catastrophic with it back here. You gotta pull the battery out to even sniff.
Oh, this right here needs a new
Thing.
yeah, like it came off the.
What, the tail right?
It's just this. I don't know,
You broke it.
some type of electric. Yeah.
Security system.
It's from doing too many power wheelies.
Yeah, he's been ripping them left and right. So he's just been riding this bitch with no plate whatsoever.
I can't tell you when the last bike I had a plate.
You're right.
Dude,
Paper plates.
no, not even paper
With
plate. I
barbecue
didn't get
sauce on them.
I didn't even, dude, the DRZ didn't have a plate until, okay, I did get one on it.
How's your motorcycle license?
I don't have a motorcycle license. What are you
That's why I
talking-
got a turbo, dude.
Yeah, what the
Put my
fuck?
ass
That's
up.
what that's for.
That's for.
If you have a turbo, you don't get stopped. And if you get stopped, you shouldn't have a turbo.
Yeah, they're gonna confiscate your turbo,
Yeah.
so
they
you
are.
better go.
Cars don't want to stop me because I'll confiscate their daughters.
And their
With the
testes.
turbo.
Tell them, look, guys, do you really want to get demasculinized right on the spot? This shit'll be on cops tonight, son. Quit stepping on his seat, you fat fucking dog. Rolo, we need to turbo your ass. I think that's a good fit for you. Your tail's about 27 millimeters.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Lost my wrench. Lost Jared's wrench. Great.
Wrench is gone.
I hucked it. I can throw a wrench over them fucking mountains. So you want to tell goodbye on camera and just like do your, no? He's like, tell tomorrow.
Drop kick it. Tell
Yeah.
bye. Goodbye.
You're like, I'll be back tomorrow
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, right?
to ride it. Oh, by the way, it's out of oil.
Oh, dude.
He's saying about the front brake.
Oh, yeah, it works. It works good. I was just trying to stop, and I did an endo front flip. Landed.
Did a couple peelers.
I landed it.
Fucking shit.
Like, you're the one. Oh, like I'm the one that, like, dude, fuck this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a hell of a walk back to Justin. It's a sports track.
God dang it. Hell no, I'm taking the tractor.
Flakes. And everything but NOS.
Dude, seriously, everything's nice.
I have that. Oh, I said everything but NOS.
Oh.
Yeah, everything is nice.
Yeah. You can do propane injection.
Nice. Somebody propane welded these, I think. But
Yeah.
I don't know. I may be wrong. They kept it inside
Oh, yeah.
because those motherfuckers would be nice and speckly if not.
Yeah, he says that'll glow orange, though, when it's...
When he's about to blow it up.
Yeah.
When he previously spun the bearing.
Yeah.
ACL tear, got it.
Oh, I did forget to tell you, fifth gear doesn't work, or first, but you can skip.
Yeah, that's why it won't
You can
really
choose
get
2,
it.
3, 4.
Quit trying to throw off my turb.
Oh, and that's all the way
My
up.
turbo. Oh, it even has a number gauge on it. Nice. Too bad your mullet ain't got a dial like that.
No. I'm kind of glad.
That thing's getting a little rough though, a little wind chapped.
Oh, it got chapped.
It's a little
today.
chapped.
Yeah, I know. It's holding on though.
Looks like you've been on Naked and Afraid or something.
I
back
was.
there.
I wasn't afraid though.
I was naked for a bit. I
Yeah,
wasn't
it's
afraid.
more like naked and excited.
I'm gonna end up like the girl that bought the KE from you. Fucking won't even make it to the gas station. Honestly, the reason I'm gonna sell it for a G is because I'm not so sure it'll get back to the gas station.
Rod bearing was making a funny noise.
Clickety
but,
clacking
Dude,
a
it's a
little.
$30 part to fix it.
Yeah,
It's
Not
all you
even
gotta
that-
do is Split the cases.
I tried not to buy it. He was all geared up for riding too.
Yeah, I am.
Look at the safety goggles. He went to Walmart. Tell him the story.
Oh,
He's some
actually-
safety goggles for the riding this bike.
Yeah, to ride. I get a mile and a half away, bike starts sputtering. Do, 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 do. And I
Blowing
finally,
it.
I putter it there, go into Walmart, come back out, big puddle of gas, and a big crowd of people around the bike. Like, oh my god! And I was like, that's my bike.
It's
Stay away.
bleeding.
Don't touch it. I fixed the line. I got to stop leaking. I went to the parts store, got it fixed.
Naturally did a burnout in the gas till it ignited.
Yeah, because they were so worried, you know. I pushed the bike away from Walmart because it leaked on the curb, like on the sidewalk right beside the front door. It's like, you know, where all the assholes park.
Yeah, all the real snitchy people are hanging out too.
Yeah, not the snitch people. No, I burned out on them.
So basically, all the handicap spots were taken, so Blake just jumped her up on the curb and fucking parked it.
Yep, that's got it. And the
Parked it
expecting-
next to the vending machines.
Expecting mom's parking as well. That's where I park first.
Yeah.
Every time.
This is the best parking.
Actually,
It's a good place to meet expecting
I
moms.
either go first is my fire lane. That's my go-to. Fire lane, expecting parent, and then what do you call those? people
Handicap.
who need the wheelchair?
Handicap.
Yeah, a handicap.
And then once he did park in the veterans, but they get a little temperamental.
no, I do that
Don't
too.
park in the
I just pretend to be a veteran.
Oh, there you go.
I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I just told him I'm a 37 lieutenant sergeant. from the
Veterized.
38th district.
District of Columbia.
Of Columbia, yeah. Storm, a paratrooper storm.
Paratroopers. I was in one.
I was in one.
It was a hell of a
I was in
storm.
Yeah, it was good scrap.
It was a little scrap.
Are you set on keeping the bike over here, or, I mean, for storage purposes, we can keep it at my place until I sell it again, or you sell it, or
You
whatever.
sell it again. I was thinking
Some
probably
people sell their stuff twice.
when I sell it, I'll just put you through to the guy, and y'all can sort all that out and figure
Yeah.
out,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
what kind of visitation or
I'll gladly take his money.
yeah. And I'll probably need some support in the meantime
Yeah.
from money
Yeah.
for keeping it.
Oh, for sure.
Money
And
full.
it
I'm
needs
gonna
to be
need
written.
money full.
It needs to be written. Look here, dude. Just sign this contract right here. Just sign the back of this. Yeah, I'll fill the rest out later.
Just sign this, huh?
You don't date, please. I plan on registering it. Just don't date it.
But I thought Blake was full of shit when he said that tire was spinning. But it is. Like if you dog on it, it starts spinning. Starts spinning really quick. That's a thin back tire though. Red, I'm almost finished with. I got the front brake all figured out. So that's all that's left really. And then you all get a video on this. I relocated the key switch. Put on a crash pad for when I bus. You know what I'm saying? Got the back brakes working.